Pawtucket officer Dan Dolan has resigned in the midst of his law enforcement officer's Bill of Rights trial. As we've reported, the city was trying to fire him for shooting a teenager while off duty after he was cleared of all criminal charges in that 2021 incident. Target 12 investigator Kate Wilkinson is live in our studio now. And Kate, what does this mean for the embattled officer's benefits?
A spokesperson for the city confirms Dan Dolan will receive about a $21,000 payout for his vacation and comp time, but because he hasn't been on the force for 10 years, he won't be eligible for a pension.
Dan Dolan's law enforcement officer Bill of Rights trial comes to an end with the embattled officer resigning. Pawtucket Mayor Donald Grebian says they were looking into firing Dan Dolan after he shot a teenager while off duty in 2021. While Dolan was found not guilty on all charges, Grebian said Dolan's conduct was still concerning. On Tuesday, the mayor welcomed Dolan's resignation.
We really just wanted to get him off the department. It's tainting Pawtucket.
The mayor says state law requires them to provide that payout for his lost time, but the city says it also plans to allow Dolan and his family to remain on the medical and dental plan for the next year. Dolan will also not receive a pension because he has not yet worked 10 years with the department, but he will get the money back that he's put into the fund. Grebian says Dolan's resignation helps the city avoid further legal fees while ensuring Dolan is off the force.
It really comes down to a business decision where it would have cost us about $100,000 of rough numbers going through the LEOBOR process. He could have been found guilty at the LEOBOR process and still gotten everything else.
Dolan also faces the charges of threatening a police officer and suspicion of driving under the influence after he was arrested in Coventry this September. In a statement to Target 12, Dolan's attorney said following that incident, quote, "The LEOBOR case was no longer just about the shooting incident, for which he was fully vindicated by a jury. Following that sense of honor, we worked with the city for a just and reasonable resolution of the pending termination proceedings."
Dolan's resignation takes effect on the 30th. New at 6, why an attorney representing some of the victims is calling Dolan's resignation a closed-door deal, and how the mayor is responding. Live with the Target 12 investigators, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.
The Pawtucket police officer who shot a teen while off duty is no longer on the force. We've learned Dan Dolan's resignation this morning amid a months-long effort by the city to fire him. New at 6, Target 12 investigator Kate Wilkinson explains why one attorney is not necessarily calling the resignation a victory.
Mayor Donald Grebian says Dan Dolan's resignation will help the city save money in legal fees, but not everyone is happy.
The case is now closed on the months-long LEOBOR trial, ending with Pawtucket officer Dan Dolan resigning. Mayor Donald Grebian says they were looking into firing Dan Dolan after he shot a teenager while off duty in 2021. While Dolan was found not guilty on all charges, Grebian said Dolan's conduct was still concerning.
We really just wanted to get him off the department. It's tainting Pawtucket.
In a statement to Target 12, an attorney representing Dolan said, quote, "We worked with the city for a just and reasonable resolution of the pending termination proceedings." But James Howe, who represents the 3 teens in that 2021 case, pushed back on the resignation, saying while he was glad to hear Dolan will be off the force, Howe is concerned because Dolan, quote, "is allowed to shield himself from public scrutiny, as is the city of Pawtucket, by this closed-door deal that denies an open examination of his actions." Mayor Grebian argues this is the best that they can get out of the LEOBOR process.
I understand. I apologize. The family, this is very difficult. But at the end, they got what they wanted. They wouldn't have gotten any more at the end of it. It's the same outcome.
Dolan also faces separate charges of threatening a police officer and suspicion of driving under the influence after he was arrested in Coventry this September. His resignation takes effect on the 30th. Live with the Target 12 investigators, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.